Howdy, varmints. Wheels, man's greatest invention. We would be a fool not to use them. In this quick video, I'll show you how I made a dolly for my 5-gallon bucket. Welcome to Open Source Distilling. This channel is all about challenging and modernizing home distilling traditions in an apartment setting. If that's something that interests you, please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Now, I always have a bucket of Star Sand going. It gets refreshed from time to time and probably gets used a few times a week between my beer, cider, and home distilling activities. I've dragged this 5-gallon bucket in and out of my closet hundreds of times, and there will be hundreds of more times in the years to come. So I'm making this dolly to make it just a little tiny bit easier to get my Star Sand out of the closet. Also, dragging this heavy bucket across the floor for years upon years, it's not going to be good for the floor. I'm one lazy son of a bitch, and I want my life to be as easy as possible. To make the dolly, we're going to need some wheels, or more accurately, casters. I've got these 3, and you may ask, 3, why not 4? Because 3 is cheaper than 4. Thanks, math. I'll be drawing a circle here using a 5-gallon pail lid. If you take the radius of the circle we drew, and if you draw dots as I am, we get 6 evenly spaced dots around the circle. And 3 of these points will serve as markers to drill holes later on for the casters. I used a pill bottle lid to mark circles around these drill holes. I am no safety expert, so don't do as I do. Do it safe. I have no idea how to safely cut wood on an apartment balcony. Make sure you wear a mask, earplugs, and safety goggles, and really take some care and move very slow when handling power equipment. Now that I've cut the wood, I realize that I should have marked lines for the bottom of the bucket. So that's exactly what I do. Then I mark and trim the wood around the smaller circles. Now that I know how the bucket is going to sit on the dolly, I mark where the hardware is going to go and where I'm going to drill the holes for the casters. I assemble the hardware and give her a tighten. And there you have it, the final result, a smooth moving sexy dolly that will be with us for the rest of our lives. And thank you for making it to the end of the video. If this video sucked, you know what to do. If you like this video, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Hope you're having a good day, and I love you all very, very much.